Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you are signed in with the account that owns or manages the place. This matters because view details are permission sensitive. Once done, open the updated browser or Roblox client and disable extensions that block scripts since they can hide details. Make sure you have the game ID and any asset ID handy for quick checks. These identifiers let you target the exact place or asset to inspect without guessing, and they speed up subsequent API or page checks. Next, clear cache and cookies and reload the place page to rule out stale content. Many UI issues come from cached JS files. Then open the place's configure page and confirm it's published, visible, and that thumbnails and descriptions are set. Missing thumbnails can disrupt the view panel. Also check group roles and access if the place belongs to a group, because roles can hide management controls. Finally, test simple API responses or use the developer console to confirm the site returns expected data. To finish, fix any bad metadata by uploading thumbnails and republishing the place, then verify the view details panel updates. If the issue persists, update the client or switch browsers and test on another device to isolate local problems. Make sure to collect error messages, request logs, and screenshots. If nothing works, check the Roblox status page and file a support ticket with those logs. One troubleshooting tip: reproduce the issue in an incognito window to rule out profile corruption before escalating to support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.